Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to write some VBA that will enable you to run a macro to highlight any negative numbers in red text. So I'm sure you can imagine different situations where this might be useful. You're analysing data, you've got a threshold of 0. Anything below 0 is unacceptable, so you want those numbers to stand out. You want them to be highlighted. Okay, so in the VBA editor, we'll insert a module and let's call it HighlightNegatives. Okay, so again, with this we'll start off by defining the dimension of the range as range. Okay, so for each selection in the range, for each range in the selection, if the worksheet function okay, so if it's a number in the range, and if the range value is less than 0, then the color of the font in that cell, and this over here is a number you just kind of have to know, but this is the number for the red text. We'll end the if function. Both of the if functions, and then we'll add the loop in so that it runs through all the cells in the range. Okay, so that makes sense. Let's put in some negative numbers and give the macro a try. Okay, we've got the selection here. We'll run this through the range. And there you go. All the negative numbers highlighted in red. So that'll help you to identify any negatives. Hope this is useful. Thanks for watching the video.